Here's the model of the week. It's a 1958 Chrysler Imperial, and the manufacturer is unknown, but I have three Imperial models, and this is the second one. Here's the driver's side profile, and there's those huge fins, and there's the interior. And you can see the rear end, the fins, and the famous Continental kit on the trunk lid. And here's the passenger side profile. And again, another view of the interior. And the underside. It does have a friction motor, and that friction motor is really good. What I like about this model is the fact that in the process of molding this plastic model, they added that so-called chrome strip that you would find on the roofline there, incorporated into the molding, which I think is an extra step process in the manufacture of this model. And here is the front end. And this is a very good model because there's no warping, and it's got good color, and it's a good representation of a Chrysler Imperial, and that makes this the model of the week. Thank you for viewing.